Well, the market, I mean, as you know, is it's not very different from the rest of Europe, and I mean the rest of mature Europe. It's very hot. You could say any asset class today is still very much in demand. And you see still a lot of institutional capital searching their way for the yield somewhere. So that's not different for the Netherlands for sure. Retail is the only differentiating factor, I would say, where we still see people waiting for some stabilization, specifically on the high streets, which is still struggling. We're more or less looking at how will the structure and how will the new high streets in the future look like. Are we fit for the future? The general theme of the Provada today. But in general, yeah, I mean, you see that the institutional capital is still searching for ways to invest in real estate. And that can be anything on either residential, logistics, hot prospects still, offices getting hotter and hotter again. So it's across the board really today. Healthcare differently, indeed. Your question, where are we going to be, or are we interested in healthcare? I think that's the theme where we're still very much looking at senior housing. How do we want to live when we're 65 plus? How do we want to live when we're 75 plus? Maybe 85 plus? How long will we live? Do we need care on the side? Or do we want independence and a bit of care? And that's really also looking at what kind of structures will be fit for our more aged citizen going forward.